Dear students, I am Ali Murad Kher with my YouTube channel Learn Physics with Ali Murad Kher. Previously, we discussed about the connection between UCM and SHM. That part was acceleration. We proved that acceleration executing SHM. Now it's another part, that is the velocity. How we calculate the velocity. Velocity हम कैसे calculate करें जब आप constant स्पीड से बॉडी को मूव करवा रहे हैं. See here, from here, this is an extreme position. Body moves upward. From the point P, projection falls on the x-axis. प्रोजेक्शन जो है वो एक्स एक्सिस के ऊपर फॉल कर रहा है यहाँ पे. इसी पॉइंट से आपकी टेंजेंशियल वेलोसिटी भी है, रिजल्टेंट वेलोसिटी जो टेंजेंशियल डायरेक्शन में है. जब हम वेलोसिटी की बात करते हैं, इस ट्राइंगल को देखते हैं, तो यहाँ पे एंगल opposite to angle, that is your Vx, and opposite to angle, that is a sin theta. Even we always gives the Vx is equal to V cos theta, but here V sin theta. Because of this, this angle is opposite to this one. So opposite की जो बात होती है वो perpendicular होता है, और perpendicular के लिए हम sin थीटा देते हैं. सो यहाँ पे साइन थीटा तो हम इनसे ले नहीं पाएंगे इसी ट्राइंगल से, तो हमने ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज़ की हेल्प ली हुई है. जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज़ में साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा. सो v इज इक्वल टू r ओमेगा. मेनी टाइम्स वी हैव डिस्कस्ड r. इंस्टेड ऑफ r, here we are writing the x naught. यहाँ पे जो हमारा रेडियस है, जो मैक्सिमम डिस्प्लेसमेंट है, वो है x naught. So v is equal to x naught omega. We have put the formula x naught omega under root 1 minus cos square theta. So here what happens? Omega is equal to under root k upon m, and cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Here see, this is a base and this is a hypotenuse. So we have given cos theta is equal to x upon x naught. The value of omega and cos theta हमने यहाँ पे पुट किया हुआ है. See, x naught instead of the omega under root k upon m. 1 minus here's cos square theta. That's why we have done the square of this. Square of this one will be x square upon x naught square. So sometimes we say that here is the mean position, here is the extreme position. Mean position पे velocity maximum होती है. तो यहाँ पे हमने लिखा है कि इफ़ x इज इक्वल टू 0, यानी इंस्टेंटेनियस डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0 होगा, यहाँ पे मीन पोजीशन पे 0 होगा. सो ये 0 होगा तो हम मैक्सिमम वेलोसिटी ऑब्टेन करेंगे. वी हैव पुट हियर 0. व्हेन वी पुट 0 हियर, दिस कंडीशन विल बी 0 ओनली, जस्ट 1 इज रिमेनिंग. सो वी मल्टीप्लाइड 1 विद दिस वन एंड वी गॉट द velocity maximum is equal to x naught under root k upon m. We can write this formula in another way. Instead of this, see, x naught under root k upon m, here this is the value of maximum velocity. So we can put here maximum velocity multiply under root 1 minus x square upon x naught square. This formula I have written because of this, that sometime MCQ's problem comes on this formula. So now we are going to that MCQs on this formula. Now MCQs related to the velocity is given So a body of mass 5 gram is executing simple harmonic motion with amplitude 10 centimeter. Amplitude means we are discussing about the radius x naught. We say this is your amplitude x naught. So its maximum velocity is 100 centimeter per second. This is your maximum velocity. It was x naught, here maximum velocity, and its velocity is given only velocity Vx, 50 centimeter per second. And the displacement, already we discussed about the instantaneous displacement, that is the x. We have to find from the mean position is equal to, so different options are given here. I have written the formula Vx is equal to maximum velocity under 1 minus x square upon x naught square. See here, your velocity is given 50, maximum velocity 100, and your amplitude x naught is 10. A square of 10, 100. See, 1 0 1 0 cancelled. So what happens? 10 tens are 100. It comes out 10 10 cancelled. Remaining is 5 is equal to under root of 100 minus x square. By squaring both sides, 5 5 is a 25, and this under root and square cancelled. 100 minus x square. So now x, we shift the x here and 25 here. Then 100 minus 25, 75. X square, it will be in the radical 75. So we are going to take the factor. 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. 5 5 is a 25. This pair comes out here. Out of this one, 5 under root 3 centimeter. Our correct option is B.